Number 1. Mountains, mountains.
Mountains, mountains.
Number 2. Cats, cats.
Cats, cats.
Number 3. Faces, faces.
Faces, faces.
Now listen, read, and number. If you hear z, z, write the number 1. If you hear s, s, write the number 2. If you hear is, write the number 3.
Are you ready? Let's begin. Ducks, ducks. Flowers, flowers. Hills, hills. Dresses, dresses. Snakes, snakes. Noses, noses.